We've just had 2 more bales arrive. So I'm going to put that one there in the lean-to, and we're going to feed this one out to the cows this afternoon. I've just got to finish off repairing the bale feeder. So let's put that first bale in the lean-to. I'll just leave the forks under it a little bit, so I wouldn't want it to roll away.
Yeah. You're okay with that, tying it on off?
Alright, I'll just take it easy.
Yeah. Yeah, but it should get you more of your... Get them to get more of the bale.
Now to the right. Yep. Keep going, keep turning towards the shed. And left, the other way, a little bit.
That way?
Yep, that's good. As you can see, we've had more hay arrive, which is good. I finished off the damaged bale feeder for the cows. It's not immaculate, but for free and 10-15 minutes of welding, it's perfect for them, and the bale fits perfectly. So we've just set up a temporary fence down the bottom for winter. We've got the cows now in the bottom paddock. There's plenty of fresh grass in there. We've just put the hay bale in there. So just got to go and check the power to the fence and set up the water, and they're good to go for the winter. Just when the creek picks up, we don't want them walking through the forest or the creek during the middle of winter, because yeah, the creek can get quite high and would hate to lose 1 or 2 of them in there. So we have the cows in here now. Here's our bale feeder. You can see that middle ring, I've repaired it. It's not perfect, but it'll do the job. So we've had some pretty good growth in here. So it's where the creek comes through from the golf course into our property down there. Look at that nice green growth down there. But yes, we want to keep the cows out of there for winter. So it does get very high and very muddy. Would hate to lose one in there. So we've just set the fence up along here. So let's check the power, make sure the power's on, and then we're done. So we've just used one reel and backed it back around, and the end of it is on the live wire. It comes around the inside of this perimeter. earth in. Yep. Power everywhere. Perfect. So that'll keep them safe for winter. We do have another wee water trough for them. We're just going to bring that out of the front paddock and bring that up here for them. So every morning before I go to work, part of my morning routine chores is filling up the cows' water troughs out the back here. There are the two bales here. That one there unfortunately got a little bit damaged in transport. It's not too bad, it hasn't fallen apart yet. I might just run a strop round it just to keep it together till we feed it out. So yeah, the weekend's nearly over, but we've got plenty done. Done. Might be time to go inside, relax, I think. We'll see you in the next video.